Hey, future scientists. Ever wonder what light is? It seems so simple, right? You flip a switch, and boom, the room is bright. But there's so much more to it. Today, we're going on an amazing journey to uncover the secrets of light. Get ready to have your mind blown. So, what exactly is light? Imagine tiny packets of energy called photons. These photons are like super fast messengers, zooming through space. How fast? Incredibly fast. Light is the fastest thing in the entire universe. It travels at a mind-boggling speed of about 300,000 kilometers per second. That's so quick. It could circle the Earth almost 8 times in just 1 second. Wow. Where does all this light come from? Well, our biggest and brightest source of light is the sun. The sun is like a giant, natural light bulb in the sky. It's constantly sending out those speedy photons in all directions. These photons travel all the way from the sun, across millions of kilometers of space, and finally reach us here on Earth. It takes about 8 minutes for sunlight to make that trip. So, the sunlight you're feeling right now actually left the sun 8 minutes ago. Cool, right? But the sun isn't the only source. We also have artificial lights, like the light bulbs in our homes, the screen you're watching this on, and even fireflies blinking in the dark. Now, let's talk about how we see things. It's not our eyes that shoot out beams to see. It's the other way around. Light from a source, like the sun or a lamp, travels in a straight line and hits an object, say, a red apple. The apple then absorbs most of the light, but it reflects the red part of the light. That reflected red light travels into our eyes, and our brain says, hey, that's a red apple. The same thing happens with every object around you. A blue book reflects blue light, a green leaf reflects green light, and so on. Without light bouncing off things and into our eyes, we wouldn't be able to see anything at all. It would be like being in a pitch-black room. But wait, there's more. Light doesn't just let us see colors. It does some other really cool tricks. Have you ever seen a rainbow after a rainstorm? That's light at work. What looks like white light from the sun is actually made up of all the colors of the rainbow mixed together. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. When sunlight passes through raindrops, the raindrops act like tiny prisms. They bend the light and split it up into all its different colors, creating that beautiful arc in the sky. It's like a magic show put on by nature. And it's not just about seeing. Light is also a form of energy that helps things grow. Plants use a process called photosynthesis. They take in sunlight, water, and air to create their own food. Without sunlight, plants couldn't survive. And without plants, we wouldn't have the food we eat or the oxygen we breathe. So, light is super important for all life on Earth. From the tiniest plant to the biggest animal, we all depend on the energy from light. So, let's recap our awesome light adventure. Light is made of tiny energy packets called photons. It's the fastest thing in the universe. Coming from sources like our sun, we see things because light bounces off objects and into our eyes. And white light is actually a secret mix of all the colors of the rainbow. Plus, it gives life-sustaining energy to all the plants on our planet. Light is truly one of the most amazing things in our universe. Next time you switch on a light or feel the warm sunshine on your face, you'll know the incredible science behind it. Keep asking questions and stay curious, because that's what being a scientist is all about. Thanks for exploring with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun science adventures. See you next time. See you next time.